Hello everyone, today we are going to study the second practical of science part 2, that is to study binary fission in amoeba and budding in hydra with the help of permanent slide. The apparatus which we need for this practical is compound microscope, permanent slide with binary fission that can be shown with in amoeba and budding in hydra. So these are the figures that you have to look for or that you have to observe for in the slide. The observations that are there, that both amoeba and hydra, they are reproduced by the asexual method. So you have to only write the inference here as a asexual method of reproduction that would be seen. Here in the multiple choice question, you can see the first answer is the previously Raju observed hydra bird under the low power objective lens, but afterward he used high power observe because the micro part to observe micro parts in small space. So in order to understand the micro part, that is the small parts, and to study them broadly, they he did this thing. So the option is A. The second, as we can see, which of the following is the asexual method of reproduction? As you know that the division, budding and the spore formation, these are all the asexual methods of reproduction. Life process part 3 has this particular uh, details into it. So here, as you can see, the third one, to observe the amoeba and the paramecium in water the drop was taken on the glass, on a glass slide. If both the organisms were clearly seen, then the stain used must be, definitely it is safranin. So here the third one, the fourth one is dash is the type of reproduction in hydra. The answer is budding is the type of reproduction in hydra. As we can see, the fifth one, while observing the permanent slide of amoeba, Ramesh saw some oval shaped nucleus. This nucleus indicates the binary fission. As we can see, whenever the nucleus of amoeba that divides, so here you can see the round shaped nucleus that becomes oval, and here the stage where it is now about to divide, and then finally there is cleavage that is start forming. So this kind of thing is said to be the binary fission in amoeba. And as you can see here, the hydra reproduces with the help of the bird, and therefore this is the new hydra that is developing from that bird, and therefore it is known as budding. So here these both are asexual mode of reproduction. That's it from this practical completed.